Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I am back with my trusty knife, and we have another unboxing with us today. This is also meant as a gift from Anukul, so thanks a lot Anukul, and let's go ahead and unbox it really quickly. By the way, I already know what's in it, so I'm sure it is going to be of real help, but let's just go ahead and unbox it. Maybe this box will be of some use to me. Let's just keep it aside for now. So this is supposed to be a clip-on mic. The quality seems really nice, and the way you clip it on is by just pushing it to the side, and it clips on like that. Let's just go ahead and try to use it. So this audio right now is coming straight from the camera itself, but let's just go ahead and plug the microphone in so that we can check how the voice sounds. So this audio should be coming in from the microphone, and hopefully it is really nice. I'm just going to show you some items. This is the same box that came in the packaging. It doesn't close properly as it turns out, but it's fine. Maybe we can use it. And this is another product. So I hope that you got an idea about the quality of the microphone, and I hope you liked it. So that's it for today, and also just wanted to wish you a happy Dhanteras. Today's Dhanteras. I'll be uploading this video tomorrow, and hopefully you guys like it, and have a great Dhanteras and a great Diwali as well. Bye.